Okay, class, we will now continue our discussion on the general provisions pertaining to the contract of partnership. As stated in Article 1776, as to its object, a partnership is either universal or particular. As regards the liability of the partners, a partnership may be general or limited. So as we can see, based on what is provided under Article 1776, there are different classifications of partnership. And according to object, a partnership may be classified as a universal partnership or a particular partnership. And under universal partnership, there are two kinds. We have the universal partnership of all present property and the universal partnership of all profits. Now, let's define what is a universal partnership of all present property. In this classification of partnership, the partners contribute all the property which actually belongs to them to a common fund with the intention of dividing the same among themselves, as well as all the profits which they may acquire therewith. So as we can see, all the property which actually belongs to the partners are being contributed to a common fund, and the partners will eventually divide the same among themselves, as well as the profits which they may acquire with these properties. Okay? Number two, or the second kind under universal partnership, is the universal partnership of all profits. Okay? It comprises all that the partners may acquire by their industry or work during the existence of the partnership. So as contrasted in a universal partnership of all present property, a universal partnership of all profits comprises all that the partners may acquire by their industry or work during the existence of the partnership. So take note of that. Only the profits acquired by the industry or work of all the partners during the existence of the partnership. We have also, according to object, the second classification of partnership is a particular partnership. And a particular partnership has for its object determinate things, their use or fruits, or specific undertaking, or the exercise of a profession or vocation. So, going back, according to object, there are two classifications of partnership. Number one, universal partnership, and number two, particular partnership. Okay? And according to liability, we have two classifications of partnership. We have the general partnership and the limited partnership. Under general partnership, it is one where all the partners are general partners. It is one where all the partners are general partners. All general partners here are liable up to the extent of their separate properties after the assets of the partnership have been exhausted. Okay? And according to liability, we have the second classification. We have limited partnership. It is one where there is at least one general partner and one limited partner. A general partner is liable beyond his contribution, while a limited partner is liable only to the extent of his contribution. So that is according to liability. And we have the next according to duration. And according to duration,